Before you buy any aquarium filter, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most filters look the same, but the real difference is in how they perform when your fish are sleeping or when you forget a water change for a week. I've tested these 5 filters in real tanks, and what I found might surprise you.
De hoy es
Product number 1, Tetra Whisper IQ20. The Tetra Whisper IQ20 is a solid mid-range option that caught my eye because it's designed for quiet operation, less than 40 decibels, which is quieter than a whisper. At $23.17, it's not the cheapest, but it's built for 20-gallon tanks and pushes 130 gallons per hour. The self-priming motor means you don't have to mess with priming every time you clean it, which is a lifesaver if you're not into aquarium maintenance drama. Plus, the Stay Clean technology helps stabilize pH levels, so your fish stay healthier with less effort on your part. Over 3,000 units sold in the past month shows it's trusted by beginners and experienced hobbyists alike. Now, some people complained that the filter cartridges are a bit tricky to replace and need changing every month. Here's the thing though, if you're okay with a small monthly upkeep, the water clarity and fish health improvements make it totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, reliable filter for a 10 to 20 gallon tank and don't mind replacing cartridges regularly. Skip this one if you're looking for a fully maintenance-free system. For the price and performance, it's a great value.
Product number 2, Tetra Whisper Internal 10i. Now, if the external setup of the Whisper IQ20 feels bulky, the Tetra Whisper Internal 10i takes a completely different approach. It mounts inside your tank. At just $15.97, it's affordable and ideal for smaller setups from 5 to 10 gallons. It clips right onto the glass so you can push your tank flush against the wall. No external hoses or clutter. It filters up to 80 GPH while also aerating the water, which means your fish get cleaner water and more oxygen without needing a separate air pump. The dual-sided mesh catches debris effectively, and the BioBag cartridges are easy to swap. Over 2,000 sold last month shows it's a favorite for nano tanks and betta setups. Now, some users mention the clip isn't the strongest and can slip if the tank's glass is too thick or uneven. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard glass tank, it holds up fine, and the internal design actually reduces vibration noise. This is perfect for you if you have a small tank and want a clean, space-saving setup. Skip this one if you have a very thick glass tank or plan to move the filter often. For under $16, it's hard. Product number 3, Marineland Penguin Bio Wheel. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for biological filtration, the Marineland Penguin Bio Wheel. At $40.42, it's pricier, but it's one of the few filters with a rotating bio wheel that boosts beneficial bacteria growth. This means better breakdown of fish waste, especially in larger tanks up to 350 GPH. It uses multi-stage filtration, mechanical, chemical, and biological, so you get crystal clear water with less effort. Over 1,000 sold last month shows it's trusted by serious hobbyists. Now, some people complained that the bio wheel can get clogged if you don't rinse the cartridge gently. Here's the thing though, if you're careful during maintenance, the wheel spins smoothly and dramatically improves water quality over time. This is perfect for you if you have a 20 to 55 gallon tank and want superior biological filtration. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a very small tank. For the performance, it's worth the investment.
Product number 4, Tetra Whisper IQ30. Now, if the BioWheel's price made you pause, the Tetra Whisper IQ30 offers a balance of power and quiet operation at $31.97. It's the bigger sibling to the 20-gallon model, handling up to 30 gallons with a 175 GPH flow. Like its smaller version, it's self-priming, under 40 decibels, and uses Stay Clean technology to help maintain stable pH. The larger capacity means it's great for community tanks with more fish or slightly overstocked setups. Over 1,000 sold in the past month shows it's a go-to for mid-size aquariums. Now, some users said the plastic housing feels a bit flimsy compared to metal parts. Here's the thing though, for indoor use with normal handling, it's durable enough, and the quiet operation makes up for it. This is perfect for you if you have a 20 to 30 gallon tank and want a quiet, reliable filter without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty construction or plan to move it frequently. It's a smart upgrade from the 20-gallon.
Product number 5. Datu Ultra Silent Filter. Finally, if you're on a tight budget or have a tiny tank, the Datu Ultra Silent Filter at just $7.99 is a sleeper hit. It's built for 1 to 10 gallon tanks and uses only 3 watts, consuming just 2 kilowatt hours per month. The waterfall style flow is gentle, and the activated carbon cartridge removes odors and impurities effectively. It's BPA-free, ultra-quiet, and even works in turtle tanks. Over 1,000 sold last month shows it's popular with beginners and small space owners. Now, some people complained that the flow rate isn't adjustable, which can be too strong for betta fish. Here's the thing though. If you have a small community tank or shrimp setup, the consistent flow is actually a benefit. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, quiet filter for a nano tank. Skip this one if you need variable flow or have very delicate fish. For under $8, So, which one should you pick? For small tanks under 10 gallons, the Datu is unbeatable for price. The Tetra Internal 10i is great for clean setups, while the Tetra IQ models offer quiet power for 20 to 30 gallon tanks. If you want top-tier biological filtration, go with the Marineland BioWheel. Each has its strengths. Just match it to your tank size and maintenance style. Thanks for watching and happy fish keeping.